Hi everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. Today is New Year's Eve according to the United States calendar, but it never made sense to me that January was considered the New Year's as opposed to April when trees are budding, plants are growing, flowers are blooming, and homesteaders are planting crops to enjoy as well as to replenish their food pantry. In any event, it was an extremely foggy day today. Although I enjoy peaceful foggy days here on the homestead, I am not a fan of driving in the fog. There was an advisory warning of poor visibility of 1/4 mile or less until 4 p.m. today. Visibility was definitely less than 1/4 mile here in my area. And in regards to ending around 4 p.m., well, let's just say that was not true. This footage was recorded in the 6 o'clock hour, and it is still very much foggy out. Visibility is pretty bad. In addition to the foggy condition, it is now raining, making driving even more dangerous. For those of you who are already out or will be going out to bring in the winter new year, be careful. Take your time traveling to and from your destination. And if you are one of those people who do the whole New Year's resolution thing, I hope your New Year's resolution is starting a food pantry or adding to your existing food pantry. I also hope that those of you who live in colder regions invest in alternative heating. I am not sure it's a good idea these days to put so much trust in the power grid. With more attacks on the power grid just a few days ago, and most recently rolling blackouts, let's start 2023 off being prepared. If you like the content on this channel, please like, share, and subscribe to help this channel to grow.